We're at one of those rare Florida homes that has a basement and garage. The ceiling has not been finished, so they're getting a lot of noise and vibrations from the garage door. So I'm going to install some sound break insulation, resilient channel. Going to apply some green glue to the resilient channel and also some green glue sealant around the perimeter at all the seams of the 5/8 fire rated drywall that I'm going to be putting in. Then we'll do a skip trowel finish and prime and paint. Let me know in the comments if you would do this soundproofing project by yourself or if you would run. So I'll get some footage of the process and post it as I go.
And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video.
Let me know in the comments if you're a DIYer, a contractor, painter, handyman. Just kind of curious. It's a sound and fire block mineral wool insulation bats that I'll be installing for the sound and fire block.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button in the center of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. Look me up on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks so much for watching.
There's more of my most popular video links down below in the description.